Hi, this is Kim, and this is a video on how to work the metric conversion problems. I'm going to do 4 problems for you, 2 that are just 1 step and 2 that take actually 2 steps to get to the solution. Okay, so this first question is asking how many milligrams are in 55 grams. So for working this, I need to remember the conversion between milligrams and grams. And remember, milli means 1,000. So there are 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. And that's what I'm going to use as my conversion factor to go from grams to milligrams. So I'm always going to start with what I'm given. 55 grams is what I'm starting with. And then I need to make my conversion into a fraction. And I want grams on the bottom so that when I divide by grams, grams cancel out. That means I want 1 gram on the bottom and 1,000 milligrams on the top. Now grams cancel out, and it's going to just be 55 times 1,000 equals 55,000 milligrams. I always want to include my units in my answer. Okay, the next one is also 1 step. Now we're going from milliliters to liters. Remember, same thing, milli always means 1,000, whether we're talking about liters, grams, or meters. That milli prefix always means the same thing. It means 1,000. So there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. I'm starting with 3,000 milliliters. Okay, so I'm going to make my fraction. Milliliters have to go on the bottom so that when I divide by milliliters, they will cancel out. Okay, so my 1,000 milliliters has to go on the bottom. 1 liter on top. Milliliters cancel out. And I'm just going to go 3,000 divided by 1,000 is 3 liters. Okay, the next 2 actually take 2 steps to get to the answer. So this first one, it tells me inches to centimeters, but I'm starting with meters. So in order to be able to use my conversion factor, I have to get from meters to centimeters first. So the first thing I have to remember is that centi means 100. So there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. I'm going to have to convert from meters to centimeters first so that I can use this piece of information. Okay, so I'm starting with 10 meters. I'm going to use my 100 centimeters in a meter, and my meter has to go on bottom so I can cancel meters out. 100 centimeters on the top. Meters cancel out. Now I'm going to set up my next parentheses right next to the other ones so that I can keep canceling units all the way across and not make a mistake. Now I can use my 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. My centimeters have to go on bottom so I can get out of centimeters. My 1 inch goes on top. I divide by centimeters, so those go away. Okay, now my math becomes 10 times 100 divided by 2.54. And if I do that math, it comes to 393.7. Oops, sorry, that's inches. Centimeters canceled out, I'm in inches. 393.7 inches. Okay, one more. If 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds, how many pounds are in 300 grams? So my conversion is in kilograms, but I'm starting in grams. So I have to get to kilograms from grams. So I'm going to start with 300 grams. And I have to remember that there are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. Now, a common mistake that students make is they think 1,000 kilograms equals 1 gram. Sorry, my paper's moving. This is not true. 1,000 kilograms is 2,200 pounds. 1 gram does not equal 2,200 pounds. This is not true. There are 1,000 of your base unit in the killi. So this is your correct conversion factor. So remember, my grams have to go on bottom so I can cancel out grams. So I make that my fraction, divide by grams, they cancel out. Now I can use this. 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. My 1 kilogram goes on the bottom, 2.2 pounds. Now my math becomes 300 divided by 1,000 times 2.2. And if I do the math on that, it's 0.66 pounds. Okay, so again, I didn't start in kilograms. I had to get to kilograms first before I could use this conversion to get to pounds. If you have any more questions, please email me and I can send you some more practice problems. Bye.